Hello there, welcome back to the second part of the dollhouse series. So let's get into the video. We're going to make the fireplace first. Mix black and white to get gray, and to add a little bit warm, just add brown. I'm going to paint all my pieces. Then you need a egg cartoon packet or anything that has a texture like this. Then cut it into really small pieces of different sizes. Apply a coat of glue on each pieces and stick your small pieces onto it. Make sure don't put all the small pieces or big pieces together. Apply a layer of glue and then up the paint. Now stick together the base pieces together like this. Poke a hole for the light. For the front piece, I'm going to stick a small piece of foil so light would reflect. So now let's put our pieces together. This is what it looks like. Grout to fill the spaces. And with a toothpick, I'm going to go for the details, the dents and everything. Apply a layer of glue again, and then put a small piece of foam board on top, and then this plywood on top of that. Stick some twigs or rocks to the fireplace and close it off with a glass paper. Next off, we are going to make the sofa. I'm going to use my old pair of jeans for this. This is the base part of the sofa, so I'm going to cover that up. For the couches, I'm going to take a small piece of sponge. For this, I'm going to push the sides and cut off the excess. Push the sides and glue it together. You'll have a really clean edge. This is how it should look. It's easy. Finally, I'm going to glue all the pieces together. For the front part, I'm going to just add an extra layer of denim before I cover it up. So we're going to make a coffee table. I'm going to use baking sheet and just take a frame and stick it up all three sides And for the final side, I'm going to take a small LED light and then paste it. I'm going to make the air conditioner. So these are the things that you need. I'm going to just paste a blue glass paper over my white so I could get blue light. Stick the both sides on it. Place a piece of foil inside again so the light would reflect. I'm going to leave a small space for the bottom part. Next we are going to make a hammock and fold it in half and cut diagonally a small piece. Top and bottom I'm going with half a centimeter, and for the sides 1 centimeter each. You can sew it, hand sew it or glue it even. You will have a small piece hanging out each side. This small piece of jute thread. Thread it through the hole we have on the both sides. Tie off the both ends. So the long part will be on the bottom and the short part will be on the top. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you'll enjoy the video. So there will be another part for the decorations. Bye.